Okay, today we're going to be getting started with your architecture project, and to begin with you need to be in your Google Classroom. And in Google Classroom, let's go ahead and take a moment and make sure that you have joined your correct classroom. So if you are in my 4th hour 7th grade class, then you need to join my Google Classroom at T7, T8, yes. And what you'll see is that I have your assignment all loaded. Let's go ahead and let's ask our 1st hour kids to also join. And for my students here, your code for 1st hour is 7th grade art is E8ZV7F. So you can go ahead and make sure that you are joined into those. And let's look at your assignment that you have here. So first of all, in your assignment, you need to create a house meeting your needs first and then some of your wants. You are also going to be using a budget that I'd like to introduce you to, and you're going to be building your basic rooms needs for a budget. Day 2, labeling all of your rooms. 3, using the program to add doors and windows. 4, an entryway with a front door and walkways. And then 5, some landscaping. After you have your daily tasks met, then you can go ahead and add some other fun things into your home as you go. So let's go ahead and also take a look at your spreadsheet. So I have made each one of you a Google spreadsheet, and here's my Google spreadsheet here. Let's go ahead and talk about how this works. To start off with your Google spreadsheet, make sure that your name and your hour is up here at the top. Each and every single one of you is starting out with the same budget of $150,000. Now the math totals on this are pretty simple. You're just going to go ahead and in the multiplier for a bedroom that is small, you're going to pay $5,000 for that. I'm going to go ahead and type in 1, and I'm going to hit enter. And as soon as you do, you see that the math, it shows up here over in the total, and your remaining budget tells you what you still have left, and it tells you what you have spent. So the program will do most of the work for you. Now let's go over to floorplanner.com. Once again, it is located right here. I already have myself logged into the program, and I'll show you how to, your login should be your email address along with your Google password that starts with the 00 and your lunch code. Let's go ahead with a new project, and when I go into here, importantly, so that I can, whenever I look at your program, your project, please go ahead and make sure it is titled appropriately. And this is going to be Mrs. Rao's dream house. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. As far as your location, it doesn't really matter. And the floors, you can definitely change that later. I'm going to go ahead and create a project. As I'm creating my project, this is the beginning, the first part of my floor planner. Some general things about this program you do need to save and save often. So let's go ahead, and now you should be in your floor planner and your budget. I'll go ahead and get you started with how to begin your project in the next video.